Hello, welcome all of you. This is the series of Daily Dose of Vocab. Unimpeachable as an adjective, not able to be doubted, questioned, or criticized, completely trustworthy. Synonyms: irrefutable, unquestionable, impeccable, trustworthy. Antonym: questionable, doubtful, unreliable, disputable. Example: the officer had an unimpeachable record of honesty and service. Next. Providential as an adjective, happening at a favorable time, especially as if guided by divine care. Synonym: fortunate, lucky, opportune, heaven sent. Antonym: unfortunate, unlucky, inopportunate, ill fated. Example: his provincial arrival saved the child from danger. Next, disapprobation as a noun, strong disapproval or criticism. Synonym: disapproval, criticism, condemnation, censure. Antonym: approval, praise, commendation, appreciation. Example: his careless behavior met with strong disapprobation from the committee. Next, extemporize as a verb, to speak, perform or compose without preparation, बिना तैयारी के बोलना या प्रस्तुत करना. Synonym: improvise, ad lib, impromptu, invent. Antonyms: prepare, rehearse, plan, script. Example: the speaker had to extemporize when his written notes were lost. Next, retroactive as an adjective, taking effect from a date in the past. पूर्व प्रभावी. Synonyms: retrospective, backdated, ex post facto, regressive. Antonym: prospective, future, upcoming, forward looking. The new rule was made retroactive from the beginning of the financial year. Next. Firmament, noun. The sky or heavens, especially seen as a vast dome above the earth. Synonyms: sky, heavens, vault, balcony. Antonyms: earth, ground, land, underworld. The stars shone brightly across the firmament at night. Next, fulcrum. Fulcrum is a noun. The fixed point on which a lever turns or is supported, a central point of support. Aadhar bindu. Synonyms: pivot, support, axis, hinge. Antonyms: periphery, edge, margin, extremity. Example: the teacher's guidance became the fulcrum of the student's success. Next, reconnoiter as a verb, to make a military or exploratory survey of an area to gather information, जानकारी एकत्रित करने के लिए किसी क्षेत्र का सर्वेक्षण करना. Synonyms: scout, survey, inspect, explore. Antonym: ignore, overlook, neglect, disregard. Example: the soldiers were sent to reconnoiter the enemy's position before the attack. Next, प्रेस्पिशियस एज एन एडजेक्टिव, क्लियरली एक्सप्रेस एंड इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड, स्पष्ट और आसानी से समझ में आने वाला. सिनोनिम्स: क्लियर, लूसिड, प्लान, इंटेलिजिबल. Antonyms: obscure, unclear, ambiguous, vague. Example: the teacher gave a perspicacious explanation of the difficult concept. Next, annuity. Annuity is a noun, a fixed amount of money paid to someone every year or at regular intervals, usually for life or for a fixed period. Synonyms: pension, allowance, stipend, payment. Antonyms: lump sum, one-time payment, debt, non-payment. Example: after retirement, he received an annuity from his investment plan. Next, fragile. Fragile is a verb, to get something or tricky, clever, manipulation or dishonest methods. चालाकियां तो किसी कुछ प्राप्त करना. Synonyms: deceive, manipulate, swindle, trick. Antonyms: surrender, relinquish, forfeit, lose. Example: he tried to fragile a free ticket by pretending to be a staff member. Next, certitude as a noun, complete certainty or firm belief that something is true. पूर्ण निश्चितता या दृढ़ विश्वास. Synonyms: certainty, conviction, assurance, confidence. Antonym: doubt, uncertainty, skepticism, distrust. Example: she spoke with certitude about the success of her plan. Next, cachet as a noun, a quality that gives someone or something special respect, prestige or admiration. प्रतिष्ठा या सम्मान का विशेष गुण. Synonyms: prestige, status, distinction, reputation. Antonym: disgrace, dishonor, disrepute, shame. Example: the award gave the young scientist great cachet in the academic world. Deign as a verb, to do something that one considers below one's dignity or status. Synonyms: condescend, stoop, lower in oneself, descend. Antonym: refuse, decline, reject, scorn. Example: the senior officer did not deign to reply the junior clerk's question. Next, taunt as a verb or noun, To insult, mock, or provoke someone with hurtful words. ताना मारना है, चिढ़ाना. Synonyms: mock, jeer, ridicule, tease. Antonyms: praise, compliment, applaud, encourage. The players try to taunt her opponent during the match. Next. Taut as an adjective. Stretched or pulled ties, also used for something tense or well controlled. तना हुआ या कसा हुआ. Synonyms: tight, stretched, tense, rigid. Antonyms: loose, slack, relaxed, limp. Example: the rope was pulled taut before the climbers started moving. Next. Banjala is a verb or noun. To do something badly or clumsily, often because of carelessness. Synonyms: botch, mismanage, mishandle, blunder. Antonym: manage, succeed, accomplish, execute. He bungled the presentation by forgetting the main points. Next. Blaze as an adjective. Unimpressed, different, or broad because one has experienced something too often. Indifferent, unimpressed, non-talent, apathetic. Antonym: enthusiastic, interested, excited, impressed. She was based about winning the award because she had won many before. Next. Collate as a verb. To collect, arrange, and organize information or documents in a proper order. Next. Next is synonyms. Arrange, compile, organize, systemize. Antonym: disorganize, scatter, separate, disperse. Example: the assistant was asked to collect all the reports before the meeting. Next. Braggart as a noun. A person who boasts too much about achievements, qualities, or possessions. Ding आंकने वाला व्यक्ति. Synonyms: boaster, show off, blowhard, swagger. Antonym: modest person, humble person, introvert, understander. Example: everyone avoided the Braggart because he kept talking about his wealth and success. Thank you so much for this.